Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. If you're new, you're very welcome. I am Elaine. It's been a long time. I had a baby and also took time off to work on something exciting, which I will be sharing with you in a moment. Some of you will know I like making accessories with African prints, and a lot of you have been asking me, Elaine, do you sell the things you make? How can I get prints and so on? And so that got me thinking, and I decided to set up my own online store called Elaine African Fab. I love African prints. For those of you that don't know, I'm from Nigeria, so anything to do with African prints, I love. I sell African prints, I sell handmade accessories made by me, and go on there guys and support me. We're giving out 15% discounts on all items, and new items will be added every week. And also you can follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, Elaine African Fab. Thanks guys, as always. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me. And don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.